Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can blur face only using CapCut on PC. So guys, here I have already created a project on my CapCut PC, and for example, we're going to blur the face of this man. So the first thing we have to do if we want to blur the face only is clicking on the effect option right here. Then you're going to select the body effect. And on this body effect, you have to search for the mask category. This one, tap on the mask category, then you can select the face mosaic, then just drag this effect to your clip like this. Okay, and now the effect has been applied to our video. Then let's just take a look at the result. Okay guys, and this is the result. And as you can see that the face has been blurred, and we just blur the face only. Alright guys, and that's how we can blur face only using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.